Stephen.
I'm doing very well. How are you, Natasha?
Oh, I'm pretty good. We sure got a lot of snow last night, huh?
Oh, we did indeed. We did indeed. How much do you think we got?
Oh, we got at least an inch, maybe 2 inches. I really looked. You gonna go shovel?
Yeah, I suppose I'm gonna have to, huh?
Yeah. I think I heard the snowplow guy go by. All right, should we get started?
All right, how do you want to start the show?
I don't know. I don't know.
Should we sing a song?
I don't think anybody cares when we sing a song.
I think you're wrong. I think they like it when we sing the songs.
Maybe you're right, but we should think about this before we get started.
Okay. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, everyone. Welcome back to the show. And, yeah. So, what do we want to talk about today?
I don't know. Should we do an Ojibwe word of the day?
Well, that's usually the idea. Oh, wow, what's going on here? Well, today, I think our Ojibwe word of the day should be, I'm always hoping it'll just come to me if I set up the camera and if we just start rolling, that something funny and spontaneous will come out. And then we can teach the people an Ojibwe word. So here's the Ojibwe word. Anishinaabeg. People. And, a lot of people think that Anishinaabe means Indians or Native Americans or, skins. And it doesn't. And, before there were white people, we called everyone Anishinaabe. There were the Dakota Anishinaabe. There was the Dene Anishinaabe or the Navajo Anishinaabe. And I've even met elders who would talk about the Finlander Anishinaabe. I met an elder once, what was his name? He was a Gagalai. And he was talking about, you know what, this could be a good show. Should I talk about sweat lodges?
Well, we're already running kind of long.
Should I look up what sweat lodges are and then talk about them?
Maybe for another show?
All right, we'll do it for a different show. Anishinaabe means like human beings. It doesn't mean Native Americans. Although when we use it, we're pretty much talking about Indians. So I don't know, maybe it does mean Native American. I don't know. This has been your confusing, non-committal Ojibwe word of the day. And, yeah, you want to send us out, sweetie?
Yeah, okay. Well, everyone, just want to say, by the way, before we sign out, just want to remind you, if you'd like to support the show, you can always click the link down here and sign up for Patreon. Patreon, you can support the show monthly, or just leave us a tip, and you can click to PayPal. Also, if you'd like to order some Ojibwe language children's books from Michael Lyons, you can always just click the link to Amazon. He's got a whole bunch over there, doesn't he? And finally, check out Teespring. There's some really cool Hoa t-shirts there. Mm-hmm. All right. Well, with that said, thank you for watching. Miigwech gana wabi yeg. BOOZHOO, nana BOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Giga Wapamin, Minowa. Ho.
Oh, that was really good, sweetie.
Sail on, Silverbird, now.
sail on by.
Your time has come to shine. All your dreams are on their way now. Beijing Nijnes way ni win. Nanin and nin gold was way. Nij was way. Nish was way. Jungus way and Midas way. We will count to 10 in Ojibwe mowing.
Yeah.
We will count to 10 in Ojibwe mowing.